wheel locking lug nut you can find on the market. If you have an expensive set of rims, of course you would like to have some sort of security in them, some sort of lug nut with a special key. But there's a lot of lug nuts out there, the crooks can basically jam in an oversized socket on it and use a gun and take it off. And I thought about it, and I was thinking about putting my Volks Racing GTC rims in my 300ZX. They're $4,000 rims. And I have been looking for lug nuts for the longest time, some security lug nuts, and finally I came across these. They were very dear, meaning they were very expensive compared to a $20 set of lug nuts, but I'll show you right away because why I paid the money. There you go. These are Volks Racing Formula nut set, and they are made in Japan. They are heavy. They're not some sort of an aluminum or anything like that. They're made of steel. So in a high horsepower vehicle, and if you race them or something like that, these are the right set. There's 2 sets in here, so 5 and a 5, 20 sets in total. Why this is special? First of all, let me pull one of them out. First thing first, if you have a painted rim, some sort of a paint on it, so this part of the set, it spins. So when you put the lug nut in, this will touch the rim, fix itself, and then you can still turn it, and that way your paint is safe and this place won't scratch it. Another thing to notice is this piece is aluminum, but this piece is metal. This piece being aluminum, which is a softer metal, when it goes on your rim, because it's a softer metal and the rim is a harder metal, this won't scratch the rim. This will take scratches, but not the rim. That's how you protect your rim. And that's that. And the other thing is, if you see the size of it, because a lot of the sports rims won't take a full size bolt because those holes are kind of tiny. Now, this socket has 2 sets of security. First of all, you're going to need a key, which is an Allen head, to open this. Once you open this, and this piece is aluminum, very light, has a little washer in there. Once you open this, you take your the other key. This is solid steel, I guess, because this is very heavy. You put it in there, and then you put a, I believe this is a 1921 mil socket, and then you can turn it on, and then you can open it up. Now, the reason I like this over anything else, because they can't jam a nut in here. If they jam a nut in here, the nut will just spin because there's nothing to grab outside. What is to grab is inside. Unless they have a key or something like this, it's almost impossible to turn. And of course, these sets are, individual designs. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. And if you think there's another set or another type of lug nuts out there, leave it in the comment section that I would like to know. And actually, I would like to purchase because I have an XSR. I have another sort of expensive set of rims on my GTR, so I would like to have some sort of security on those nuts too. So leave it in the comment section and hit the bell notification and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to stay up to date with a lot more product reviews coming to this channel.